In this next video, I'm going to use the text tool, so this tool here, to be able to make our menus stand out. So I'm going to make them bold and underline them. So our starters heading, our mains heading, and our dessert heading. I'm also going to add a price to each of our menu items so you can see how much the item costs. So to start off with, I'm going to do my titles. So I'm just going to go over to our starters layer, just double click on it on the thumbnail like we did in the previous video. I'm going to go to this tool here, which kind of looks like a bit of a P. No, sorry, not this one. I'm going to go to this tool here that has the T on it, and I'm going to go to this one to make it bold, and then I'm also going to go to this one which will underline our heading. I'm then going to double click on the mains thumbnail here. Same thing again, you should already have it open, but if not, click on the T. So go to the P and then go for the underline P, and then I'm going to do the same thing with desserts. So go down to our desserts layer, double click on the layer thumbnail in the middle of the T, do it until it selects the text fully black, go on to the P and then underline the text as well. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some prices onto our items. So make sure you've got the text tool selected. Now you're going to want to zoom into your area so you can see the text and you've got a nice working area. So to do that, remember, you press the control key, go to the top right of your keyboard and you'll find the plus sign, and it'll let you move and zoom in. And remember, if you want to move around when you're zoomed in, you can use the hand and that'll just let you move to the area you want to be on the screen. Get the text tool again if you've got the hand. I'm going to go to where it says goat's cheese tartlet. I'm going to click, and you'll notice when I use the text tool and I'm not selected anywhere, I get the arrow. When I hover over any text, you notice how it turns to the little eye icon. When you've got the little eye icon, that means you can edit the text. So make sure you've got the eye icon before you click. Go to goats and just click in. I'm going to put a pound symbol in. Now unfortunately I'm on an American keyboard, so it's going to give me a dollar sign, but you can use a pound sign. Okay, and I'm going to make it $5. Okay, I'm then going to put a space and then going to put a dash. Okay, and remember the dash is just the minus sign, which is next to the plus sign that we use to zoom in, and then another space. I'm then going to go down to prawn cocktail, and again just hover over the edge till you get that I sign, click in, do your pound sign, and I'm doing $1, and let's make prawn cocktails. It's probably going to be more expensive now with the price of fish, so we'll make it 6 space dash space. I'm then going to go down to our main course. So again, and I might, it's not automatically selecting it, so I'm just going to, there it is now. You might want to click on the layer or just click off the tool and go back to the text tool again. So I'm just going to click where it says roasts. I'm going to make this, how much is a roast dinner now? Let's make it $20. That'd be about £12. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing for dessert. So make sure you've got the text tool selected, go over, and if it's doing what it's doing now with me where it's not changing, just click off the tool, click back on it again, and then go over, and you should see it changes back to that little eye icon, and we can do our price. So grandma's sticky toffee pudding, let's make that $4 space and then a dash, and then grandma's sweet apple pie and custard, let's make that $6 because grandma's apple pie is the best. Okay, so I'm just going to zoom out so you can see what I've done. So just hold down control and remember, press the minus key to zoom out, and you can see now, if I just click on this just to close that box, you can see we've now formatted our menu items and we've added the prices in. So can you do that as well? And I will see you in the next video.